But we are, as I said, we're short on time here, so I'm going to ask each of you to wrap things up with some parting thoughts, some pithy thoughts on advice for folks who are maybe just starting on this process intensification journey. Irina, since you're largest on my screen, I'll start with you.
You're asking for the last thoughts?
Last thoughts, parting shots,
think,
the wisdom of Dr. Irina
yeah,
Ramos.
I don't know about wisdom, but I am truly honored to be involved in this particular field within our great manufacturing field or industry. And I think it's super useful to leverage collaboration. Venues like this one, where people that have a little bit more experience can bring enthusiasm to have others to play a role. I am confident that there's no one good way of doing it. There's many good ways of doing it. And we have a huge responsibility to the world, which is when, and not if, but when the next pandemic comes, hopefully none of us will be here anymore. We will leave a legacy where we only have to click the button, everything is automated and it's continuous, and we can make our products to be more affordable, faster, high quality, and approachable geographically to all the corners in the world. So that's what really drives me to come to work every day.
Thank you, Irina. Sanjay, parting thoughts from you.
Yeah, I think that the knowledge we collected over the last period of 20, 30 years in biologics makes us ready to go into next step in process intensification. I think the process intensification or continuous chromatography or continuous manufacturing is here to stay, and I think we'll be learning much more about it by sharing knowledge with the community. And I think as this knowledge grows, I think it will allow us to reduce the cost of goods manufactured, produce the good quality biologics or the much more improved quality biologics at much cheaper rates and at much faster pace within our existing manufacturing facilities. That will be great benefit to the mankind even if the next pandemic comes. Yeah. As Irina predicted.
Yeah, well, it's probably a safe bet. Not if, but when. Irina and Sanjay, you guys are both fantastic. A heartfelt thank you for joining us. I'm very grateful that you've given us this time. I know that we didn't get to everything we wanted to cover. There will be more opportunities for you both to join me on these events. I guarantee it. You'll hear from me again. But you were both great. Thank you very much for joining us.
Yeah, thanks,
Thank
Irina.
You so
thanks,
much
Matt.
again.
Thank you all for nice questions.
Yeah, I'm also grateful to those of you who came out to learn and ask questions, and I'm grateful to Thermo Fisher Scientific for supporting today's program. A few folks have asked, and yes, this program will be available on demand using the same link you used to register. That link is shareable, so please do send it to your friends and colleagues. And also mark your calendars for our next Bioprocess Online live event, which is next month on July 9th at 11 a.m. When Mythic Therapeutics COO Sandra Poole, Vincerex VP of Medical Affairs Dr. Amy Johnson, and the incomparable Dr. Joe DeKosh of DeciBio will join me for a talk on antibody drug conjugate manufacturing complexity. We'll see you then. And in the meantime, have a great week.